Hey everyone, so in today's video I will be doing another vlog, and right now we're about to go in a restaurant and eat. It's a...
Is it over? No.
What is it called? What is it called?
Jonathan?
No, what is it called?
What?
Buffet. It's a buffet. And so we get to eat anything that we want, and I always get full here, so I wanted to come here. But it's a Chinese buffet and it's called China King, and I believe it's only here in our town. So yeah, but I will also catch you guys up on like more of my day as we go through it, and I'll just vlog my day for you guys. Y'all, look at my princess. Stand up. Stand up. I want to show my princess off. Look how beautiful she is. Ooh, she's posing for you guys.
Look. What do you got, bro?
Wow. So we are outside now, and we just came back from eating, and then we had to go drop something off, and now we're back home just chilling in the yard, and Yazzy's been coloring and playing with the dog and all that, and we're running around in her little princess dress. But yeah, also I got some new boots, really cute. Yesterday, it's in yesterday's vlog. I did get my daughter some, but we got hers a little too big, so I'm just gonna buy her the same pair, but in her size, her current size right now. And then what we'll do is we'll keep this pair for her to grow in. That way we won't have to buy her another pair later on and this pair be gone, because I love this pair and I'm gonna get her, yeah, just the exact same ones for her current size right now. But I'm excited to get those, and yeah. Okay, so I put a little hoodie on. I'm probably about to take it off actually, because it's not that cold in here anymore since we've been working on the house. But we're doing a deep clean in the kitchen and in the living room and basically everywhere, because we're having a garage sale next weekend. So let me show you guys the before in here. We have everything out, and we're cleaning out all the cabinets down there. We have open cabinets, so we're gonna make it look really pretty. We're gonna have like a bunch of dishes. I'm taking that off, I forgot about that, but I'm gonna take that off in that basket over there, or that basket up there, and then I have my oats up there and the Wi-Fi box. But anyways, and then we also are gonna make this pretty and later on get some bar stools for there. And then this is the living room. It's really big. We have the little gate, and this is a bag. This one's a bag full of toys. This one is some trash. And yeah, we're just getting everything done. And we're getting rid of that table right there, the little TV stand. I'm getting a new one because that one's broken. And then making it look really nice. Probably getting rid of all these speakers. But yeah, I am very pleased with it right now, and we're just gonna be selling basically all of our stuff because I don't want it anymore, and it's just cluttering, and it's better to not throw it away and everything. And then whatever we don't sell, I will be donating it. So, and all this money is gonna go towards my fan build and stuff. But my husband, he's helping me go through everything. He just stepped outside for a second, so I was like, why not me show you guys right now what I'm doing. I'm doing the dishes right now. I'm washing all the dishes that were in boxes, because we had boxes of dishes from family gifting us some things whenever we first moved in here. And yeah, it's been that long. It's been 2 years. We gotta get it done. But that's what I'm doing. And we're putting these ones on display. We have like the bowls to it, and I just washed this one, and the we have bowls and kind of plate-ish bowls, and then we have plates, And that's it for that set. And then we have another set that goes to our place that we already have up here. Some of them that we already have up here. We just need to make it look really nice when we're cleaning out all of these. Wiping them down and yada yada. But that's an update on the house. That door right there, we need to get done. Because, okay, obviously that's down the hall. But this right here is going to be our pantry. But I'm going to have my dad do it. And we're going to pay him. But we don't know when we're gonna start that project. So yeah, my dad is really good at construction. He's been doing it well over 20 years. So yeah, we'd rather pay him than somebody else. So yeah, this right here needs to be done because it's so roomy in there and I could put so much pantry food in there. And yeah, that's why we kind of have food over there in that one. And we're going to leave that today. But it's going to change very soon. We have some cabinets right there too, but we need to also clean those out. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. I always say that, but I just do it anyways. But at first we were hanging out outside, which was from the clip that that I did before this one. And someone's car alarm is going off outside. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next clip. I just wanted to share something real quick, okay? Something that I take pride in now and that I used to be ashamed of. I'm full right now. But I used to be ashamed of my belly swelling like this. And I'm not anymore. And you shouldn't be either if you ever are. It's a part of life. And then I just kind of hug it and rub it. Because I know that I'm like putting nutrition into my body and taking care of my body. And just loving it really helps it as well. And yeah, I just wanted to share that on the vlog. I've finally grown out of the stage where I'm like, oh my gosh, why is my stomach so swollen? Why does my stomach look so big after I eat? Like, it's normal, okay? It's normal. Love you. This is what we ate and what got me so full. Right now, I'm just relaxing and embracing how I truly feel in the moment. And right now, I'm feeling a little tired, so I feel like relaxing and just laying back and watching YouTube videos. I'm very full, as I've shown you guys, and I'm feeling so good and very warm inside and on the outside and just melancholy. So yeah, I just wanted to include that in the vlog. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I really did, because it really speaks to what I really am. And like, I have my hair up, and I never have my hair up in vlogs, really. Well, I don't like to. Sometimes I do, but like, I don't like to. And I'm trying to embrace more of what I look like. And obviously I have makeup on right now. I did a live for my new company and showed the products and the different colors, and yeah. But right now I'm feeling tired, and I'm just gonna continue watching videos, and they're about van life, of course. Van life, tripping and stuff like that. I love it. Cannot wait to buy a van. I'm getting really tired. Love you guys. My husband brought, I'm trying to drown out the noise of her little baby, but that I bought her. It's like a little bubble pop baby, but it blows out bubbles. Anyways, my husband just brought me some Doritos and some Dr. Pepper. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be snacking on. And he brought our daughter these Mexican cookies. By the way, these Doritos do come from Mexico, and they have a jalapeno taste to them. But they're like the normal ones. Like, they don't say jalapeno or anything. They just have that. I took a shower like an hour ago, and now I'm just been laying here. I have been very tired, but My husband just checked the mail and everything, so we're just kind of relaxing. Just an update. This is our big window, what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys. I've been wanting to show that all day. Just never did. But I love it. Got up to go get the last candies that I have in the bag, so this is just the gummy peach rings bomb. And then I'm gonna drink my Dr. Pepper, of course. And I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Don't know if I'll vlog. We had to go to the store for a second, so I just recorded a little bit of me in the car. The house, and I'm officially done vlogging for the night. I'm eating candy and drinking Dr. Pepper because I didn't drink Dr. Pepper before we left. She's running water, so she's in there eating again. So yeah.
Yes, baby. I gotta